Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to add address on Shein app. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to add address on Shein app. Maybe because you want to purchase something, but before purchasing, it is mandatory to add address so that the products get delivered to your place. Or maybe you have moved out, so you just want to change your address on the app. Or there could be any other reason for you to add your address on the Shein app. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Shein app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Shein app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface, you will read its title, some of the options like search bar, categories, and a lot of products, and even a bar of options at the bottom of your screen. Now, if you want to purchase a product, it is mandatory for you to add your address so that the product that you have selected gets delivered to your doorstep. So in this app, you have to add your address. So for that, you just have to simply go to your profile. This is the icon of the profile. Just simply tap onto it and you will land into your profile. There you will see bunch of options on your screen, and from all these options you just have to simply go for the settings icon, which is on the top right side of the screen. Once you tap onto that option, you will get into the settings. This is the icon of the settings. Just simply choose this one and we will get into settings. Once you get here, first you will read the title and find bunch of options. Every option here is different from each other and has its own specific purpose in the app. Here we have this second option which says address book. This option will help you in adding your address. Once you click on it, it shows you this title and one option which says add a shipping address. Shipping address is your residency address or maybe any address of your choice on which you want the products to get delivered. Once you select that product, you will see this interface. At first, you have to select the country in which you want the product to get delivered. Once you click on it, there will open all the countries in which Shein app works. So you can choose the country in which you want the product to get delivered. After that, there are other options that you have to fulfill one by one. You have to enter your first name and second name. Make sure here you enter your correct name because if the products get delivered, they will need your real name. After that, you have to enter your contact number and there will be an option through which you will get the option to add your address. So here what you have to do is that you have to enter your address like your street number, your house number, your apartment number, your city, and your postal code, your province, and other options as well. Once you're done with all these things, just simply click on save and that address will be saved as your shipping address. Now your address has been saved, and whenever you purchase something, it will get delivered to the address that you have just added. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can add address on Shein app. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.